Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is HP Envy 6122E. It is a great all-in-one printer for families who want seamless connectivity and the simplicity of remote printing from a mobile app. The HP app, available on iOS and Android. It gets you set up for easy printing, scanning, and copying right from your smart device. You can print over your home Wi-Fi network or office Wi-Fi network, and also via its USB port, hardwired as well. It is also compatible with HP's instant ink service, which HP say can save you up to 70% on ink and make sure you never run out. The printer orders more ink for you and it is delivered to your doorstep. I'm not quite sure if that 70% savings is true or not, as it could depend on individual usage or other factors. So not sure for definite, but that is what HP promises. Also, the ink subscription is not compulsory. You can buy standard cartridges anytime, and this printer uses ink cartridges 308. Original HP black and triple colors is what included in the packaging. This printer is HP Plus enabled, so if you choose HP Plus at setup, you get 3 months of instant ink included. In terms of performance, black print speed is up to 10 pages per minute and color up to 7 pages per minute. Print resolution goes up to 4800 by 1200, optimized DPI for color photos, and scan resolution is up to 1200 DPI, so you can print high quality photos as well as everyday documents. You also get automatic two-sided printing, a 2.4-inch color touchscreen, and it works with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The box includes the printer, setup black and triple color cartridges, a power cord, and setup guide. That covers all you need to know about this printer. We're going to unbox it, check it out, and see what is inside. This is quick start guide, HP Envy 6100E series. The power cable, 3-pin power cable included in the packaging. Ink cartridges, black and triple colors. Cartridge number 308. I like the packaging. So this is what it looks like. This is the scanner, flatbed scanner. We lift up the printer. If you have any paper jam, check for any paper jam at the back and close the cover. ink cartridges holder is on the right side. Once you switch the printer on, it move and position itself. This printer uses 308. The colored one goes to the left and black goes to the right. You also see a sticker. Serial number is on the sticker. And this is the paper tray. It's using paper casket. So you load various sizes of paper, 5 by 5, 13 by 13 inches, 4 by 6, or 10 by 15 centimeter, 4 by 12, 8 by 11, and A4. You just need to adjust this paper guide all the way for you to load A4. And this is the LCD screen. If you turn this printer around, serial number and the pin number. This is the USB port, and power cable goes to the button here. You switch the printer on and off on this button. So this is the overview of this printer. So if you take the power cable, connect it to this port, then connect it to the socket. So the light is coming on. So it will show you HP. Then for you to set up the printer, you select touch screen to follow the instruction to connect the printer, install the ink, load paper. Then it will show you for you to select the language. Just need to touch the language you want to select and proceed. Thank you very much indeed.